Alrighty, so this is going to be the worked out solution for 2010 2D. It has the big glycerol tristearate, so this big ginormous molecule over here, and you are going to have to work out the molar mass of that particular thing. So it's asking us, our ratio is 1 is to 3 is to 1 from the thing given in the paper. It said we had 8.9 grams of this glycerol tristearate obtained. We have other stuff in it, we're not interested in those. And at the other side, we are getting 7 grams of pure soap, which is the sodium stearate. So again, your lights are going on if they're giving you a number over here. This is an actual yield. We then just read our question. So 2D, given the sodium hydroxide is in excess, calculate the percentage yield of soap. So we have to be calculating a theoretical yield for this sodium stearate before. That's what we have to do first. So the maths doesn't change. So we have the info from the question. This is my way in. So if this is my way in, then that has to be a mass triangle. So to do that, I have to calculate my molar mass of this ginormous thing. And it is difficult. People do make mistakes. So you do it the best way you can. You can go C17, H35, COO. That is essentially going to be by 3. All of these by 3, by 3, by 3, by 3, because you have them. And then we have a CH2, a CH, and a CH2. And you literally multiply it all out, put it into your calculator as one big thing, by 12, by 16, by 16, by 12, by 2, by 12, by 1, by 12, sorry, not by, plus, apologies. These are all plus. And a 2 down here, and when we add this up, we should get 890. So we have 8.9 grams divided by 890 to give us our moles. That gives me 0.01 moles. We always rewrite our ratio as our moles, so that should be 0.01 to 0.03 to 0.03 to 0.01. Okay, and this is the thing that we're going to use then to move forward. So we need to find a theoretical yield of our sodium stearate. So we then have to have our molar mass calculation of our sodium stearate. Okay, so that's also not as big a number that we have to get, but it does have to be done correctly. So we are going to do C17, H35, COONA. We've dealt with all of our multiples. So that's going to be 12 by 17. That's going to be 35 by 1. It's going to be 12 by 1, 16, 16, and 23. And when we add all of those up together, we should be getting 306. So then I am looking at this 0.03 moles. I am multiplying that by 306 to find my theoretical yield. And when I do that, I'm getting 9.18 grams. So that is now theoretical. So from our 6 steps, we info from question, figure out our triangle, find our moles, rewrite our ratio as moles, and figure out how do we end the question. So the last bit then we need is our actual over our theoretical to do our percentage yield. I'm still spelling theoretical wrong. I apologize for the emotional scarring. So it should be now 7 grams over 9.18 grams by 100 over 1. And when we do that, that comes out as, I'm looking at a mark scheme, but it's saying somewhere between 76 and 77%. Okay, so there's no rounding done until you're getting to your final answer, but that particular year, that's what they accepted. Okay.